A complex sentence is made from an independent clause and a dependent clause joined together. Some examples. After I came home, I made dinner. Dependent clause. After I came home. Independent clause. I made dinner. We visited the museum before it closed. Dependent clause. Before it closed. Independent clause. We visited the museum. Here are some more examples of compound sentences. 1. The two women washed the dishes, and then the man dried them. 2. He doesn't like to get his teeth cleaned, but he knows that it's necessary. 3. The apples weren't selling very well, so he decided to have a sale. Exercise A. Answers. 1. He knocked at the gate and demanded admission. 2. As they were blinded by a dust storm, they lost their way. 3. As he was deceived by his friends, he lost all hope. 4. Because he was driven by hunger, he stole a piece of bread. 5. As she was overwhelmed with grief, the poor widow killed herself. 6. Because the sea was smooth, we went for a sail. 7. If weather permits, the match will be held tomorrow afternoon. Exercise B. Answers. 1. Alex could not go to school due to his mother's illness. Complex. Alex could not go to school because his mother was ill. Or, Alex could not go to school since his mother was ill. 2. Murphy knows Mr. Rashid. Complex. Murphy knows who Mr. Rashid is. 3. I prayed for your job. Complex. I prayed so that you could get the job. 4. He admitted his guilt. Complex. He admitted that he was guilty. 5. He is too weak to carry this heavy bag. Complex. He is so weak that he cannot carry that heavy bag. 6. He is working relentlessly to finish the work. Complex. He is relentlessly working so that he can finish the work. 7. He was born in the year of Liberation War. Complex. He was born when it was the year of Liberation War. 8. In spite of being a good student, he could not do well on the exam. Complex. Although he is a good student, he could not do well on the exam. 9. Despite being sick, Robin went to school. Complex. Though Robin was sick, he went to school. 10. He is too weak to continue walking. Complex. He is so weak that he cannot walk. 11. They are too strong to lose. Complex. They are so strong that they cannot lose.